Hi, looking for an ergonomic keyboard? Let me help you. You're probably wondering what's the difference between a normal keyboard and an ergonomic keyboard. Well, put simply, normal keyboards weren't designed for comfort, whilst ergonomic keyboards are designed to promote healthy work postures that are more comfortable. If you suffer from aches or pains in your wrist, hands, forearms, or shoulders, then an ergonomic keyboard may just be the right solution for you. We stock a range of ergonomic keyboards that are ergonomically designed to reduce aches and pains. Check out the Adesso Easy Touch Mini Keyboard. Its compact design means you can position your computer mouse closer. It's perfect for shoulder and neck pain. Try the Adesso TrueForm Contoured Ergonomic Keyboard. It features a split key arrangement which helps to ease wrist and forearm pain. To see our full range of ergonomic keyboards, visit www.nomorepain.ergonomics.com.au or contact us at info@nomorepain.ergonomics.com.au.